At the beginning there was nothing, an absence of everything. Then the light appeared, an idea which expanded with time and grew into a wish, into a goal. Unity engine was chosen, the first prototypes were created. A simple grid at first, but later it acquired textures and colliders. The player could place tiles, move on them, destroy them, save them, and load them, just to repeat the process. But there were flaws in this simple system, and these flaws would be visible as the project gets larger and larger. Then it appeared, the performance savior, who is still learning to walk. The one who has many tutorials, but most of them are outdated, the Unity ECS. It's not fully out yet, but it will be in the nearest months. So the creator decided to learn it and to rebuild the project, utilizing ECS features and possibilities. At that time, the creator also realized that he wants the project to have 3D graphics in it. So it's not just another pixelated 2D tile-based game, but something beautiful. That's also the time when the creator decided he'd like to share his progress with someone. But he has to make some progress first, not to share some really simple stuff. So the work began. The game has to allow to play with friends, so the multiplayer had to be created. It slowed down the development process, but multiplayer is just worth it. The server and the client were created. They began handling some simple movement. There were bugs, but that's just how the development process goes. Then, a piece of map area was created, a chunk of blocks. It was a little too big, so it was cut down in the process. Then, it was assigned a simple ground for the player to walk on, and that's where we are at the moment. Hello, you can call me Furious. I'm the developer of the game you see. This is the first devlog, and before I upload it, I'd also like to add at least some interaction with the world. So, let's add some simple block placement into the world today. First, I decided to change the shape of the blocks the world consists of. This needs to solve some game design issues. Currently, when the player joins the world, they don't know what the world is like. The client-side world is preset. So, I made the player load the nearby chunks when they join the server. As you see, the world changes when I click the connect button. I made the camera follow the players on their screens, which is so neat in our type of game. And then I spent the whole day just to implement some simple, not very optimized, placement of blocks. It is beautiful. Yeah, there are things to work on, but let's save them for the next devlog. I'd like to thank you so much for watching this. If you want to see more of this game's development, or you are interested in what it will grow into, please consider subscribing. If you wanna help more people find this video, it would be awesome if you left a like and a comment. Thanks again for watching to the end, and goodbye!